to become healthier and fitter. Hit the subscribe button और notifications on करना मत भूलना to get the latest tips and videos on fitness and nutrition.
Hello, my wonderful health community. The OZiva Be Bettr Video Podcast welcomes you all to take charge of your health and take the first step towards a healthier, better tomorrow. So join me, Nishi, your host and host, on this wonderful new health journey. Veganism is actually a way of life, and practicing vegans do not consume animal-derived products. I thought, who best to shed light on veganism, this wonderful topic, than our very own Banjaran, Malik. Okay, so the next set of questions are going to be slightly more quicker. So हमने rapid fire तैयार किया है आपके लिए. So it's going to be a Q&A, which is vegan themed. And yeah, do you feel ready?
Yeah.
Should we go on? Mm-hmm. Okay, great. So biggest myths to bust about veganism.
That it's expensive.
3 sources of vegan food.
Oh wow. Green leaves or any kind of green leaves. Fruit. And rice.
Yeah. Okay, so biggest hesitation for you before you turned vegan, if there was any.
I think the one that normally people have is, will I be able to get enough protein? And will I be able to get enough B12? I think these are the major questions, but it's all possible.
Amazing. 3 celebrities or public figures you might know who recently turned vegan.
Recently, I don't know, but I do know some people. I mean, Virat Kohli is vegan. Lewis Hamilton is vegan. Okay, see, I don't know a chick, right? That's a big problem. Why don't I know a chick?
Top 3 favorite vegan dishes.
Rajma chawal. Coconut curry.
Ooh.
And plant-based milk that we make at home from coconut, walnut and pumpkin seeds.
Wow, that sounds really good.
With oat cereal.
Yeah, I can see the body dance. Yeah, absolutely.
My favorite.
Yeah, sounds great. What does being vegan mean to you in a word or a line?
I think being vegan is being introspective and just and kind of being aware of how you're living your life. Otherwise, you're just following sheep mentality. But I think being vegan is really questioning things, and you're aware, and so you're always in introspection mode.
Yeah. What are you craving for right now?
Ooh. Mum has sent us home-cooked khawswe, which I haven't eaten yet, so I'm waiting for khawswe.
Okay. And the last, question for rapid fire. Recommend one vegan dish to a beginner who's trying to go vegan. What would it be?
Buddha bowl. A Buddha bowl is basically a combination of having carbs, protein, healthy fat, and your other minerals from fruits, veggies, mostly veggies. So I think something like a side dish of like greens and tomatoes, maybe some hemp seed, rice and maybe rajma or rice and chana, something like that is perfect. It's perfect.
Amazing. Thank you for that rapid fire.